Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Silva Alida. I am from Class D, majoring in Management at Nusa Putra University. Now, do you know that change is not only planned but we have to think about how to implement. We must choose the right strategy for the changes we will make for our business. Are you curious? Let's discuss. Well, in this article, I am using a business case study on Rumah Jahit that will be the object of our research. I had previously conducted an interview session on October 28. This is company profile. Rumah Jahit is one of the businesses engaged in sewing services in Sukabumi. This business has been established for a long time since 2003. So, there is no doubt about the level of professionalism of the sewing skills. The business that the owner has been engaged in for a long time is an opportunity to show his professionalism to potential customers. However, there are several things that still need new changes for the smooth running of this business, including 1. The lack of employees is still a problem for this business to be able to expand its business ventures. 2. Lack of promotion and marketing techniques to be able to expand outside Sukabumi and even outside the island. 3. Lack of social media management so that businesses can be known by many people. 4. Lack of relationships or working relationships with other businesses to promote advertising and do cooperation. 5. The rising price of raw materials such as yarn is sometimes a problem for this business to continue. Lack of financial management may be a problem. 6. The owner of this business plans to increase the price of his services by 10% to customers. Change implementation strategy. There are problems that have been mentioned from the results of the diagnosis. So, it is necessary to make new changes that support this business to achieve its goals and support the smooth process of business continuity. The most appropriate strategy for this business to adopt is to implement a combination of economy and development strategy. This combination strategy will provide a balance between cost management and market growth and will increase the competitiveness of quality tailoring services while maintaining stable prices with market prices and business needs. However, this strategy requires careful planning to ensure that these two aspects can run in harmony. The suitability of the combination strategy to the challenges it faces includes, first, addressing employee challenges. We look at it from the aspect of cost management. Economic strategies help business identify and reduce operational costs, so that funds can be allocated to recruit and train new employees. By producing skilled and qualified employees, it will improve the financial aspect of the business for the better. Then, we look at it from the aspect of employee development. The training of new employees will increase skills and productivity while meeting the needs of business expansion. Second, effective marketing and promotion. This business needs to increase its visibility in a wider market, including outside Sukabumi, from the aspect of development strategy. This business focuses on aggressive marketing, including the use of social media by creating engaging content and active interaction with customers, allowing this business to reach new customers who are outside of Sukabumi. Meanwhile, from the aspect of economic strategy, good management of promotional and marketing costs will ensure that the marketing budget does not burden the company's finances. Third is social media management. This is an important tool to increase brand awareness and attract new customers. This can be done with strategies such as digital development. Developing a digital marketing strategy through social media can help Rumah Jahit reach a wider audience at a relatively low cost. Cost efficiency. By optimizing the use of social media, companies can conduct effective promotion without having to spend a lot of money on traditional advertising. The fourth is its suitability for building business relationships. Building relationships with other businesses is essential to expand your network and increase collaboration opportunities. Development strategy. Focus on developing business relationships that can open up new opportunities for cooperation in product promotion and distribution. Then, spending efficiency through collaboration, Rumah Jahit can share promotional costs with business partners, thereby reducing the financial burden. Fifth, the suitability of the combination strategy to the challenge of facing the increase in raw material prices. The rising price of raw materials is the most common challenge faced by the sewing service business. From the aspect of economic strategy, Rumah Jahit can conduct cost analysis to find efficient ways to procure raw materials. Adjustment of Rumah Jahit service prices. Plans to increase service prices by 10% can be done strategically after ensuring that customers understand the added value of the products offered. Then, how is the readiness for change in Rumah Jahit business? This can be assessed from three main aspects such as need for change, leadership and direction, and planning. 1. Need for change. The condition of the need for change is very clear from the various challenges faced by the Rumah Jahit. The business experienced a shortage of employees that limited production capacity and the ability to meet customer demand. In addition, the lack of effective promotion and marketing techniques hinders efforts to reach a wider market, including outside Sukabumi. The increase in the price of raw materials such as yarn is also a serious problem to affect profitability. All of these factors create urgency to make changes so that Rumah Jahit can compete in an increasingly competitive market. 2. Leadership and direction. Leadership and direction have an important role in guiding the change process. Business owners already have a clear vision of the long-term goals of the business and are able to communicate the vision to all employees. Effective leadership at Rumah Jahit involves the ability to inspire the team to be willing to adapt to change. This is done through training, motivation, and creating a work environment that supports innovation. In addition, data-driven decision-making is essential to tailor strategies according to market needs. 3. Planning. Careful planning is key to ensuring that the job changes was successfully implemented. With Rumah Jahit draws up a detailed business plan, including market analysis, marketing strategy, financial management, and long-term growth projections. This plan must be flexible enough to adapt to changing market conditions. In addition, scheduling the implementation of each change step should be done systematically, including the timing of new employee recruitment and the launch of marketing campaigns. Evaluation mechanisms also need to be set up to measure the effectiveness of the changes implemented, using feedback from employees and customers to make adjustments if needed. By understanding the needs of change, having inspirational leadership, and doing careful planning, Rumah Jahit can increase readiness to transform into a more competitive and sustainable business in the sewing industry. Based on the analysis of the readiness of the changes that have been made, Rumah Jahit is in a position to make it possible to make successful changes. Therefore, the steps that must be taken by this business can be categorized as successful change possible. The steps that can be taken include 1. identify urgent needs and changes. Rumah Jahit had to conduct a thorough assessment of the challenges faced, such as a shortage of employees, limitation in marketing, and rising raw material prices. By realizing this urgency, owners can formulate the right strategies to address the problem. For example, in overcoming employee shortage, Rumah Jahit can immediately start the recruitment and training process for new employees so that they can quickly get ready to work and work optimally. 2. Strong and inspiring leadership. This is very important in process of change. The owner of Rumah Jahit needs to clearly show commitment to the company's vision and mission to all employees. This includes communicating the goals of the change and how each team member can contribute. Leaders should also create a work environment that supports innovation and collaboration, so that employees feel motivated to participate in the change process. With effective leadership, the business can ensure that all team members are moving in the same direction and committed to achieving a common goal. 3. Careful planning. Rumah Jahit had to draw up the tailored action plan, including concrete steps to achieve the goal of change. This plan should include more aggressive marketing strategies, such as the use of social media and collaboration with other businesses to increase visibility. In addition, the plan must include better financial management to deal with rising raw material prices, including adjustment to surface prices if necessary. 4. Periodic evaluation. Rumah Jahit needs to set performance indicators to measure the effectiveness of each step taken. Feedback from employees and customers should be taken into account to make adjustments if needed. This way, business teams can ensure that they are on the right track and can address issues before they become bigger. Okay, that's all the material I have conveyed. How about it? Do you understand what you have to do to make changes to your business? Hopefully, we can learn from each other and understand this material in the future. Okay everyone, I'll see you later. Bye bye.